Dinosaurs. Triassic period. Eoraptor. Appearance, small bipedal, lightweight body. Diet, omnivore, small animals, plants. Habitat, Argentina, river valleys, forests. Lifestyle, speedy, adaptable, likely lived in groups. Eo, which comes from the Greek word eos meaning dawn or early. Raptor, from the Latin raptor meaning plunderer or robber. So, Eoraptor can be interpreted as dawn plunderer or early robber, reflecting its position as one of the earliest known dinosaurs and its carnivorous nature. Colophysis, appearance, small, agile, sharp-toothed predator. Diet, carnivore, insects, small dinosaurs. Habitat, North America, open forests, floodplains. Lifestyle, hunter, lived in social groups. Coelos, meaning hollow or hollowed out. Physis, meaning nature or form. So, colophysis can be interpreted as hollow form or hollowed out nature, likely referring to the hollow structure of its bones. Plateosaurus, appearance, large, herbivorous, long-necked quadruped. Diet, herbivore, ferns, cycads, vegetation. Habitat, Europe, dense forests, floodplains. Lifestyle, slow-moving, likely solitary, foraged for plants. Plateo meaning flat or broad. Saurus meaning lizard or reptile. So, Plateosaurus can be interpreted as flat lizard or broad reptile, possibly referring to its flat, broad body shape. Herrerasaurus, appearance, bipedal, sharp teeth, agile. Diet, carnivore, small animals, possibly scavenged. Habitat, South America, varied environments. Lifestyle, likely solitary hunter, apex predator in its ecosystem. Herrera, named after Victorino Herrera, a rancher who discovered the first specimen. Saurus, from the Greek sauros, meaning lizard or reptile. So, Herrerasaurus essentially means Herrera's lizard or Herrera's reptile, honoring its discoverer. Heterodontosaurus, appearance, small-sized, bipedal, beaked, heterodont teeth. Diet, herbivore, plants, possibly some insects. Habitat, Southern Africa, varied habitats. Lifestyle, likely lived in small groups, fed on low vegetation. Hetero, from the Greek heteros, meaning different or other. Donto, from the Greek odont, meaning tooth. Saurus, from the Greek sauros, meaning lizard or reptile. So, Heterodontosaurus essentially means different-toothed lizard. Massospondylus, appearance, medium-sized herbivore, bipedal, long neck, long tail. Diet, herbivore, plants, foliage. Habitat, South Africa, forested areas, floodplains. Lifestyle, likely lived in herds, foraged for vegetation. Masso, from the Greek masso, meaning longer or larger. Spondylus, from the Greek spondylos, meaning vertebra or spine. So, Massospondylus essentially means larger vertebra or longer spine, likely referring to the size or structure of its vertebrae. Nyasasaurus. The earliest known dinosaur, lived during the Middle Triassic period approximately 243 million years ago. Appearance, small bipedal dinosaur with slender limbs. Diet, carnivore, likely fed on small animals, insects. Habitat, wooded areas, floodplains, semi-arid environments. Lifestyle, possibly agile hunter, lived in early terrestrial ecosystems. Nyas, referring to Lake Nyasa, now known as Lake Malawi, in Tanzania, Africa, near where the fossils were discovered. Saurus, from the Greek sauros, meaning lizard or reptile. So, Nyasasaurus essentially means lizard of Lake Nyasa. Jurassic period. Allosaurus, appearance, large carnivore, powerful jaws, bipedal. Diet, carnivore, large herbivorous dinosaurs. Habitat, North America, Europe, Africa, diverse environments. Lifestyle, apex predator, solitary or pack hunter. Allo, from the Greek allos, meaning different or other. Saurus, from the Greek sauros, meaning lizard or reptile. So, Allosaurus essentially means different lizard or other reptile, likely referring to its uniqueness among known dinosaurs. Archaeopteryx, appearance, small bird-like dinosaur, feathered, wings, sharp beak. Diet, likely omnivore, insects, small prey, possibly plants. Habitat, Europe, forested areas, possibly coastal regions. Lifestyle, likely arboreal, capable of flight or gliding, agile. Archaeo, from the Greek archaeo, meaning ancient or primitive. Pteryx, from the Greek pteryx, meaning wing or feather. So, Archaeopteryx essentially means ancient wing or primitive feather, reflecting its significance as one of the earliest known birds with feathered wings. Barosaurus, appearance, massive herbivore, long neck, quadrupedal, sauropod. Diet, herbivore, tall trees, foliage. Habitat, North America, likely forested areas, riverbanks. Lifestyle, grazed on high vegetation, migratory, possibly lived in herds. Baro, from the Greek baros, meaning heavy or weighty. Saurus, from the Greek sauros, meaning lizard or reptile. So, Barosaurus essentially means heavy lizard or weighty reptile, likely referring to its large size and robust build. Brachiosaurus, appearance, gigantic, quadrupedal, long-necked herbivore. Diet, herbivore, tall trees, foliage. Habitat, North America, Africa, lush forests. Lifestyle, grazed on high vegetation, likely migratory. Brachio, from the Greek brachon, meaning arm or forelimb. Saurus, from the Greek sauros, meaning lizard or reptile. So, Brachiosaurus essentially means arm lizard or forelimb reptile. Brontosaurus. Appearance, massive herbivore, quadrupedal, long neck, long tail, sauropod. Diet, herbivore, tall trees, foliage. Habitat, North America, lush forests, riverbanks. Lifestyle, grazed on high vegetation, likely migratory, lived in herds. Bronto, from the Greek bronte, meaning thunder or thunderous. Saurus, from the Greek sauros, meaning lizard or reptile. So, Brontosaurus essentially means thunder lizard or thunderous reptile, likely evoking the grandeur and size of this dinosaur. Camarasaurus. Appearance, large herbivore, long neck, quadrupedal, spoon-shaped teeth. Diet, herbivore, tall trees, foliage. Habitat, North America, forests, plains, riverbanks. Lifestyle, likely lived in herds, migrated seasonally for food. Camera, from the Latin camera, meaning vaulted chamber or arch. Saurus, from the Greek sauros, meaning lizard or reptile. Coined by Othniel Charles Marsh in 1877, Camarasaurus denotes a lizard with vertebrae resembling architectural vaults. Cetiosaurus. Appearance, large herbivore, long neck, quadrupedal, sauropod. Diet, herbivore, tall trees, foliage. Habitat, Europe, likely forested areas, riverbanks. Lifestyle, grazed on high vegetation, migratory, possibly lived in herds. Cetio, from the Greek ketos, meaning sea monster or whale. Saurus, from the Greek sauros, meaning lizard or reptile. So, Cetiosaurus essentially means sea monster lizard or whale reptile. Initially believed to be marine, later identified as a land-dwelling sauropod dinosaur. Diplodocus. Appearance, long-necked, quadrupedal, whip-like tail, small head. Diet, herbivore, foliage, plants. Habitat, North America, open woodlands, plains. Lifestyle, lived in herds, migrated in search of food and water. Diplo, from the Greek diplous, meaning double or twofold. Dicus, from the Greek dokos, meaning beam or shaft. So, Diplodocus essentially means double beam or twofold shaft, likely referring to the double beam chevron bones found in its tail vertebrae. Dryosaurus. Appearance, small herbivore, bipedal, long legs, beaked mouth. Diet, herbivore, low-lying vegetation, ferns, cycads. Habitat, North America, forested areas, open woodlands. Lifestyle, agile, likely lived in small groups, may have been prey for larger predators. Dryo, from the Greek druos, meaning tree or forest. Saurus from Greek means lizard or reptile. So, Dryosaurus essentially means tree lizard or forest reptile, possibly reflecting its habitat or behavior. Guanlong. Appearance, medium-sized carnivore, bipedal, crested head, sharp teeth. Diet, carnivore, small animals, possibly scavenged. Habitat, Asia, varied environments, possibly forested areas. Lifestyle, likely lived in packs, may have hunted in groups. Brawn, this comes from the Mandarin Chinese word guan, meaning crowned or crested. Long, from the Mandarin Chinese word long, meaning dragon. So, Guanlong essentially means crowned dragon or crested dragon, likely referring to the bony crest on its head. Kentrosaurus. Appearance, small to medium-sized herbivore, quadrupedal, spiked tail. Diet, herbivore, low-lying vegetation, ferns, cycads. Habitat, Africa, forested areas, plains, riverbanks. Lifestyle, lived in herds, likely used tail spikes for defense. Kentro, from Greek kentron, means point or spike. Saurus from Greek means lizard or reptile. So, Kentrosaurus essentially means pointed lizard or spiked reptile, likely referring to the prominent spikes or plates found on its body. Mamenchisaurus. Longest neck dinosaurs. Renowned for their exceptionally long necks, some reaching lengths of up to 50 feet, 15 meters. Appearance, large sauropods with elongated necks, tails, slender bodies, and small heads. Diet, herbivores primarily consume plants and foliage from tall trees. Habitat, wooded areas, river valleys, and floodplains. Lifestyle, likely slow-moving, high-browsing herbivores, lived in herds. Mamenchisaurus, named after the type specimen found in Sichuan province, China. Saurus, from the Greek sauros, meaning lizard or reptile. So, Mamenchisaurus essentially means Mamenchisaurus lizard or reptile, reflecting its specific genus designation. Ornitholestes. Appearance, small carnivore, bipedal, sharp teeth, agile. Diet, carnivore, small animals, insects, possibly scavenged. Habitat, North America, varied environments, likely forested areas. Lifestyle, likely solitary hunter, agile and quick-moving. Ornitha, from the Greek ornithos, meaning bird. Lestes, from Greek lestes, means robber or pirate. So, Ornitholestes essentially means bird robber or bird pirate, likely reflecting its presumed predatory lifestyle. Stegosaurus. Most spiky dinosaur. Known for its distinctive double row of large bony plates along its back and tail, as well as its array of sharp spikes. Appearance, large quadruped, bony plates, spiked tail. Diet, herbivore, ferns, cycads, low vegetation. Habitat, North America, Europe, forests, woodlands. Lifestyle, slow-moving, defensive, likely lived in small groups. Stego, from Greek stegos, means roof or covering. Saurus, from Greek sauros, means lizard or reptile. So, Stegosaurus essentially means roof lizard or covered reptile, referring to the distinctive backplates, resembling roof tiles. Yangchuanosaurus. Appearance, large carnivore, bipedal, sharp teeth, agile. Diet, carnivore, large herbivorous dinosaurs, possibly fish. Habitat, Asia, varied environments, possibly near water sources. Lifestyle, apex predator, likely solitary or lived in small groups. Yangchuan, named after the Yangchuan district in China. Saurus, from Greek sauros, means lizard or reptile. Yangchuanosaurus essentially means Yangchuan lizard or reptile, reflecting its discovery location. Cretaceous period. Ankylosaurus. Most armored dinosaur. Covered in thick, bony plates and armed with a clubbed tail for defense. Appearance, armored, quadrupedal, clubbed tail, low-slung body. Diet, herbivore, low-lying vegetation, possibly some insects. Habitat, North America, varied environments, likely forested areas. Lifestyle, slow-moving, heavily armored, likely lived in small groups. Ankylo, from Greek ankylos, means fused or stiffened. Saurus, from Greek sauros, means lizard or reptile. So, Ankylosaurus essentially means fused lizard or stiffened reptile, likely referring to its heavily armored and fused body plates. Argentinosaurus. Largest dinosaur, estimated to have been around 98 feet, 30 meters, long and weighed up to 100 tons. Appearance, gigantic sauropod with a long neck and tail, bulky body. Diet, herbivore, mainly consumed low-lying vegetation such as ferns and cycads. Habitat, lived in what is now South America, particularly in Argentina. Lifestyle, likely lived in herds, migrated in search of food. Argentino, named after Argentina, the location of its fossil discovery. Saurus, from Greek sauros, means lizard or reptile. So, Argentinosaurus essentially means Argentinian lizard, reflecting its discovery location. Carcharodontosaurus. Appearance, massive carnivore, bipedal, serrated teeth, powerful jaws. Diet, carnivore, large herbivorous dinosaurs. Habitat, northern Africa, varied environments. Lifestyle, apex predator, likely solitary hunter, possibly hunted in packs. Carcharo, from Greek karcharos, means sharp or jagged. Odonto, from Greek odonto, means tooth. Saurus, from Greek sauros, means lizard or reptile. So, Carcharodontosaurus essentially means sharp-toothed lizard, likely referring to its large, serrated teeth. Dreadnoughtus. Appearance, gigantic, long-necked sauropod with robust limbs, small head. Diet, herbivore, consumed plants, foliage. Habitat, forested areas, floodplains. Lifestyle, likely lived in herds, grazed on vegetation, slow-moving. Dreadnought originally described heavily armored battleships, saurus means lizard in Greek. So, Dreadnoughtus likely signifies a mighty reptile, emphasizing its enormous size and strength. Giganotosaurus. Appearance, large carnivore, bipedal, sharp teeth, powerful jaws. Diet, carnivore, possibly scavenged. Habitat, South America, varied environments. Lifestyle, apex predator, likely solitary hunter. Giganto, from the Greek gigas, meaning giant. Saurus means lizard in Greek. So, Giganotosaurus essentially means giant lizard or huge reptile, reflecting its immense size compared to other theropod dinosaurs. Maiasaura. The best parents, known for nesting sites where fossils of adults and offspring found together, indicating parental care. Appearance, medium-sized herbivore with long tail, bipedal stance, duck-bill. Diet, herbivore, consumed plants, ferns, possibly some insects. Habitat, wooded areas, floodplains, nesting grounds. Lifestyle, likely lived in herds, nested in colonies, parental care. Maia, named after the nurturing Greek goddess Maia. Saura, from Greek sauros, meaning lizard. Maiasaura likely reflects nurturing behavior, inferred from nesting sites and evidence of parental care. Microraptor. Famous for being one of the first dinosaurs discovered with evidence of feathers. Appearance, small, feathered dinosaur with bird-like features, long tail, and sharp claws. Diet, carnivore, primarily fed on small animals, insects. Habitat, forested environments, possibly arboreal. Lifestyle, likely arboreal, hunted in trees, may have glided. Micro, from the Greek mikros, meaning small or tiny. Raptor, from the Latin raptor, meaning robber or plunderer. So, Microraptor essentially means tiny robber or small plunderer, likely chosen to reflect its small size and predatory nature. Ornithomimus. Fastest dinosaur. Estimated to have run at speeds of up to 40 to 60 miles per hour, 64 to 97 kilometers per hour. Appearance, medium-sized bipedal dinosaur with long legs, slender body, small head. Diet, omnivore, consumed plants, small animals, insects. Habitat, open plains, forested areas, river banks. Lifestyle, fast runner, likely lived in groups. Ornitha, from Greek ornithos, means bird. Mimes, from Greek mimos, means mimic or imitator. Ornithomimus likely reflects bird-like features such as a slender build and agile legs, resembling modern birds. Parasaurolophus, most ornate crest. Had large, elaborate hollow crest on its head, possibly for communication. Appearance, large bipedal herbivore with crested head, long tail. Diet, herbivore, plants, ferns, possibly insects. Habitat, North America, diverse, likely forested. Lifestyle, likely herd dwelling, possibly used crest for communication. Para, from Greek beside or near. Sauro, from Greek lizard or reptile. Liphus, from Greek crest or ridge. So, Parasaurolophus essentially means near-crested lizard. Patagotitan. Appearance, gigantic sauropod with long neck, tail, sturdy legs, small head. Diet, herbivore, consumed plants, foliage. Habitat, open plains, forested areas. Lifestyle, likely lived in herds, migrated in search of food. Patago, likely from Patagonia, where fossils found. Titan, from Greek mythology Titan, denotes immense size. So, Patagotitan means Patagonian Titan, emphasizing colossal size and discovery location. Pteranodon. Best flying dinosaur. One of the largest flying reptiles known, with wingspans reaching up to 33 feet, 10 meters. Appearance, large flying reptile with long wingspan and toothless beak. Diet, piscivore, primarily fed on fish. Habitat, coastal regions, near bodies of water. Lifestyle, aerial hunter, soared over oceans, likely lived in colonies. Ptero, from Greek ptero, meaning wing or feather. Anodon, from Greek anodon, meaning toothless. So, pteranodon means toothless wing or wing without teeth, denoting its toothless beak and prominent wings. Puratosaurus. Appearance, large sauropod with long neck, tail, sturdy legs, robust body. Diet, herbivore, consumed plants, foliage. Habitat, wooded areas, river banks. Lifestyle, likely lived in herds, migrated, slow-moving. Puerto likely from discovery site, possibly Puerto del Rey. Saurus from Greek for lizard or reptile. Puratosaurus means Puerto lizard, indicating discovery location. Sauroposeidon. Tallest dinosaur. Estimated to have reached heights of about 60 feet, 18 meters, tall. Appearance, massive herbivore, long neck, quadrupedal, sauropod. Diet, herbivore, tall trees, foliage. Habitat, North America, likely forested areas, river banks. Lifestyle, grazed on high vegetation, migratory, lived in herds. Sauropo from Greek sauros, means lizard or reptile. Poseidon refers to Greek god of the sea. Sauroposeidon means lizard of Poseidon, likely to highlight immense size and strength. Spinosaurus. Appearance, large carnivore, bipedal, sail on back, elongated snout. Diet, carnivore, fish, possibly scavenged other dinosaurs. Habitat, Northern Africa, riverine environments, swamps. Lifestyle, semi-aquatic, hunted fish, potentially solitary or in small groups. Spino from Latin spina, means spine or thorn, referring to distinctive sail. Saurus from Greek for lizard or reptile. Spinosaurus means spine lizard, highlighting prominent dorsal sail. Therizinosaurus. Longest claw. Had claws that could reach lengths of up to 3 feet, 1 meter. Appearance, large herbivore, bipedal, long claws, bird-like features. Diet, herbivore, leaves, plants. Habitat, Asia, forested areas. Lifestyle, likely solitary, used long claws for defense or feeding. Therizo from Greek, means to reap or to cut. Saurus from Greek for lizard or reptile. Therizinosaurus means reaping lizard or cutting reptile, likely due to its large claws. Triceratops. Appearance, large quadruped, bony frill, 3 horns. Diet, herbivore, various plants, foliage. Habitat, North America, open woodlands, floodplains. Lifestyle, migratory, congregated near water sources. Tri, from Greek tri, meaning three. Sara, from Greek charis, meaning horn. Ops, from Greek ops, meaning face or appearance. It means three-horned face, describing its distinctive head feature. Troodon. Smartest dinosaur. Believed to have had one of the largest brains relative to its body size among dinosaurs, indicating high intelligence. Appearance, small, agile dinosaur with large brain, sharp teeth, long legs. Diet, omnivore, ate small animals, eggs, plants, insects. Habitat, wooded areas, plains, varied environments. Lifestyle, nocturnal hunter, lived in family groups. True, from Greek true, means wounding or piercing. Don, from Greek odon, means tooth. Troodon likely refers to its sharp, serrated teeth, suggesting it was a carnivorous dinosaur capable of inflicting wounds. Tyrannosaurus rex. Most ferocious predator. Known for its massive size, powerful jaws, and status as an apex predator. Appearance, massive bipedal predator, powerful jaws, small forelimbs. Diet, carnivore, large herbivorous dinosaurs. Habitat, North America, diverse environments. Lifestyle, apex predator, likely scavenged, hunted alone. Tyranno, from Greek tyrannus, means tyrant. Saurus, from Greek sauros, means lizard or reptile. Rex, from Latin rex, means king. Tyrannosaurus rex means tyrant lizard king, emphasizing its size and carnivorous traits among dinosaurs. Velociraptor. Appearance, small, bipedal, sickle-shaped claws, agile. Diet, carnivore, small mammals, reptiles, dinosaurs. Habitat, Mongolia, China, semi-arid environments. Lifestyle, agile, intelligent, likely hunted in packs, opportunistic feeder. Voci, from the Latin velox, meaning swift or fast. Raptor, from the Latin raptor, meaning robber or plunderer. So, Velociraptor essentially means swift plunderer or fast robber, likely reflecting its presumed agility and predatory behavior.